Tonic in our mix, the performing governor of the good and hardworking people of Rivers State, defender of the defenseless, voice of the voiceless, the man I'm proud to refer to as my brother and my friend, Governor Wike.
Nigerians will hear. I never told him I would say this. But Nigerians will hear why some people think some of us are not Nigerians. Why some people think some of us are slaves. We will never be slaves. I will never be a slave to anybody. You people will see. It will clear your eyes. You will know what we are telling you. You will know what we are telling you. Anybody that fights Abia State, you are not fighting Okeze, you are fighting the people of Abia. I will tell you soon how money that was supposed to come to Abia State for my friend to use to develop Abia State was stopped recently by those who think they own this country. By those who think Ibazu did not support them, because Ibazu supported me, they went and stopped Abia State from getting the money they're supposed to get to develop Ariara market. That day, you will cry, I will tell you all of you. Abia and Benue State. Abia and Benue State. Deny them of their money that every state has gotten from the central bank. I got. I told them, Ibas is a quiet man. He's a Christian, born again Christian. I am not a born again Christian. I'm a Christian, but not a born again Christian. I told Ibas when they slapped me, I told here, me, if you slap me here, I don't know what I will survive the other one. I'll blow your head off.
If you push me, I'll push you. Touch me, I will touch you.
So I'm just giving you a hint. You will hear soon. Can see how people are wicked. People are not in the office yet. And they are fighting people, stopping state money. Even as we have criticized Buhari, Buhari has never stopped our money any day. Never. Don't worry, the day will come. Ibazu, God will bless you. God will continue to make you to grow.
Amen.
Continue to be whom you are.
Amen. Come on, Kapenta, Brigila, come on,
So as professor of proverb, he told us what if we are saying problem. You see where soldier ant is on a straight line. You go and match soldier ant. No be trouble they look for. Soldier ant is on a straight line. You go and match soldier ant. Anything you see, you take. All these things they are talking were just peaceful. They came to match us. Then the soldier ant has entered everywhere. And now they are crying. They have not seen anything first. So, I have told you not to be quiet and be professor of proverb. When we went to London, he told the person who called us to a meeting in London, while we are sitting down, he said, you see, this thing happening in PDP now is like that ship carried Jonah. So, as the ship was going down, they went to Jonah. Jonah. Jonah said, it's not about me. It's the ship. that they took Jonah out of the ship. Jonah did not die. The ship stabilized. So why not throw this Jonah out so that the ship can stabilize and still that person will survive? That is what is happening. The man now went and told them that Ibaz didn't say, don't say every time proverb. The proverb Ibaz gave, my brother, instead of this sheep to sink, throw this Jonah out. He will still survive. The ship has also stabilized. So when people do not understand, you see problem coming. When there's no problem, you cause problem for yourself. All I have said, and I continue to say, if people sang music, Ibiri Campirio,
Onyanson, Wanson, Owagamba Sonya Bola, Ibiri,
leave and let leave. Take this one, give me this one. No, so don't take all.
So
we have not demanded anything. We said, look, now you have taken this. Take this one back to the other people, so they will have a sense of belonging. Nothing more. All I'm saying, where decisions are being made, let one of our own be there when you are taking a
sure.
That's all. Some of us say, wicked man. If this is wickedness, let me continue to be wicked man. This country belongs to all of us. My brother, I better come. Maybe we'll cut your cake. I don't want to take these wicked people come and spoil our day. Fire shake.
This season.
But as they treat me, they pay them.
Agreement is agreement. Agreement is agreement. It always for settlement. It always determines something. Agreement is agreement.